Yeah, we'll midget will go over all that. I wouldn't. If we'll just get it to, if we get it to crank, and run. We'll let midget tweak all the. Then your job is to do what? All right, what's going on, y'all? I'm gonna tell y'all, Blake might be a bum for a street racer, but he's a pretty good helper in the mechanic world. And then we got the weirdo Daryl. You know, he wants to chase all the women instead of work, but we finally got him lined up, got him helping us. This is the first time we're getting ready to crank this thing. It's Chelsea's new car. When we say new car, I'm saying it's an old car with, he has new to her. That's a old Heavy's backup motor, and I think it's, what is it, your transmission? All the scrap parts. We got her another one here. All right, come on. Let's see if it'll crank. It's the first time, y'all. We ain't cranked it any. Get ready to cut it off if it wants to rib up or anything. We've been serious. We ain't cranked it none, I promise. You got my word. Queen, first time. Watch the oil pressure and stuff.
Ready? I need some power. Ah! Ever scissor hand. Oh, you're fancy.
I think it's crosswired. I haven't checked it. Might have to take the cam and check it. Go ahead, try it again. Hold on, y'all. That's on one right there. That's one. 8. That's 8. 8. What's going on, Capone? What's going on, David? What's up, Eddie? We trying to hear it, y'all. Trying to put one together. What's going on, Stacy?
Whoa. She's fancy. Look, I'm a little jealous of that. So what is this? It says burn. I thought it was the lights.
Let's see it. Let's try it. Give it just a little. Let me work the gas. Let me work. Yeah, work the gas, Daryl. Just barely crack it a little bit. Let's go. Thanks, crosswire. What's up, Troy, Ronnie? They saying it's 180 degrees out. Just back the wires up one round. All you got to do, and it'll put it back in. Don't be scared to drive it. That's what you got to worry about. When you get a win, then you can do whatever. You got to get a win before you get any possession rights. I think Blake was at the strip club all night instead of working.
Instead of working on the race car.
Instead of working on the race car.
Still working at the strip club.
Yeah, me and the Queen got to come over here and help them get it fixed. We give them one job to get the car wired up. What's going on, Jonathan? Happy 40th birthday. Lawrence, Virginia. What's up, Brian? Check this beauty out, y'all. This is the new motor going in zip tie. Look at this dude's haircut. Is that not messed up? That's a West Coast haircut, you know. What's going on, Sue, Robert? Edgar, Tiffany. I don't know about these two. I think they need some help. I've been leaving them alone, see what they got here. I'm betting 20 that I'm gonna have to get it running for them. They use all them fancy words and I don't know what they're talking about. But then I know how to get it myself. I can wire it up. Uh-oh, see what they got. Let them play with it for a little bit, then I'm gonna jump in there. Till they're really gonna get frustrated and whoop them. Put it on top dead center and bring it up. Get number 1 up. Check and see if it's on top dead center. If you need your car worked on, come see us. We guarantee not to get it running. Queenie, tell them what the firing order is. Queenie gonna fix this for him, y'all. They get through messing around. She ain't gonna mess with him right now, though. I'm gonna tell you, Blake's the smartest fella I ever seen, not know nothing.
I ain't been here, them ain't my wash.
What's going on, Sammy? What's up, Joe? Daniel? What's up, Alfred Lux? What's going on? Todd? What's going on? Ash Flat, Arkansas. We know where that's at. Penny Highlands. What novel at? You got a clutch in that thing?
Yeah, I got a clutch. I really do got a clutch.
Go over there and check it out, y'all. If it don't work, we put that big head smoking in it, the way it'll hook.
I do got a clutch. Yeah.
I don't know about no clutch, but you got a bad sister, the queen of the streets. What's going on, Brian? What's up, Scott? What's going on, Gary Irwin? Blake from Arkansas, and I think this man, he was born in California, so he got an excuse.
Las Vegas. Las Vegas.
And I don't know about Romeo Rob here. I got 20. I got 20. They get it running, y'all. They gonna get it running. Big head midget.
I'm trying to learn how to fix them down. Come on,
Quinn. What you think, Quinn? What's going on, Terry? What's up, Curtis? Richard. What's up, Jim? JM D. La Cruz. Darlene. First, we gotta get her running. She don't need no lights right now. Yeah, we're gonna get her blinkers working after we get it running. If I get on the big hurdle. We'll get the blinkers, tags, insurance, get all that stuff after, you know. Clean the tires after you get through, then we'll vacuum it out. First, we gotta get it running. Then after it win a race, you get a name.
What we gonna name it? We gotta have it determined. I ain't thinking we know.
We might name it Queenie. All right, here we go, y'all. We might need some help. Uh-oh. Looking rough on the home team. Every time this man comes with us and work on a car, he got a different woman with him. What's going on, Chuck? What's up, Alan? What's going on, Tom? Brent Taylor. What's up, Canada? Daniel. We practicing. If we practice on this, getting this one running, then next time we're gonna really get good. Practice makes perfect. Y'all heard that?
Not perfect, we'll start.
Looks like somebody been tweaking in all them walls. I ain't gonna worry about all that stuff with old heavy. As long as the distributor working. Trisha, look like me and you gonna have to get this thing running. Looking rough on the home team. Nah, they'll get it. I just don't want to jump in there and tell them nothing because they've been doing their own thing. I don't want, you know. They'll get it. Yeah, they'll get it. They gonna get it. And we get to laugh and enter at their expense. We can aggravate them. What kind of points y'all put in there? You hitting the start or they hitting it? This thing is voice activated.
Go! Bump. You gotta test But you ready? Oh, I have an armor. You'll knock your air off on that little day.
That Trisha brother over there, Mosley, y'all. Good thing about him, he just stay quiet. He ain't gonna worry about him getting no confrontation. He ain't like a little big head sister. A big head, hard head right there. She stay getting into it. She's too hard headed. She got a 3-foot body, weigh 80 pounds, and a $1 million personality and temper. Oh, she want to get in there and work on that. Midget love working on something. It's disrespectful when somebody working on something. If you get in there and try to tell them how to do it, you got to leave them alone. Let them do it. What's up, Brian? Somebody said, Precious the Queen did not jump on the crybaby Scott Taylor. Replay it. What somebody said, Queen? Queen ain't tripping, y'all. She just love the race. I hope I don't run out of minutes before they get this thing running. My phone, I don't got just a few minutes left. We might not get to see the thing running today.
We went to
Uh-oh. He from Arkansas, y'all. Blake is, he got excuse. Me and him, we ain't even see no shoes till we like 13 or 14. Hey, midget, why can't you use one of those cords right there to that off that grid for your race pack? That won't work. Different. That's what you need. That's what the race pack thing is, ain't it?
That's what I'm saying. This is what I need.
Okay.
I can't take it from her because then she ain't gonna have one.
I got an extra one.
Let me see that.
She'll never miss it. We stole her chrome last time, didn't we?
Huh?
We stole her chrome last time, didn't we?
No, it was that right. I heard that they said. No, it wasn't. They told me. I don't know. I went there and Brian came out like.
Queen got to go doo-doo, y'all. You got doo-doo, Queen. What you got to do? Do number 2. What's number 3? Queen.
Oh, they did put green in that. John put green in here. They light up green, but you didn't put it in the big one though, fool.
You got to worry about getting it running.
I'm just saying, dang.
You think you got in Memphis we say crunk. You got to crunk first, right?
My key broke.
What's going on, Joe? The old Hummingbird. That thing do pretty good. I like it. It's cool. It ain't as fast as old Heavy, you know what I'm saying? But it does all right. That right there is old Heavy sister. They got a different daddy. Pull your sun visor down. The sun might be shining on it while it won't crank.
That's all the door I need.
What's up, Bobby Young? Uh-oh, here they go, y'all. Robert Wolf. They say it's gonna crank now. I don't know. We watching. I think it's gonna be in the grid. Is it firing? You check see if it's firing, Daryl. Pull the plug wire, Blake. Make sure it's firing. It's probably in the grid.
Crank it over right quick.
You whirl it.
Go ahead. Good. We got spark.
You got gas? Like a little squirt light.
It's gonna run.
Well, this is like my other mirror. I spray stuff in a little carburetor and it start right up.
Oh, instead of 300, do 150 for fire.
I got a computer. Yeah.
Computer don't do no good if it won't run.
Yeah, we got computers out for you. We got your little USB thing over here. I got a computer where you.
All right, y'all. We're gonna give them a few minutes, and then we're gonna jump back on here. All right. We're gonna let y'all. Y'all gonna hear the first one crank.